Hey guys, welcome to JB Outdoors. Today I'm going to be taking the DB Killer out of my Aero exhaust that's currently on my 2021 KTM 890 Adventure S model. I currently have the mid pipe removed and installed a Aero mid pipe that's also got somewhat of a expansion chamber there, as well as the carbon Aero exhaust. Currently the DB Killer is out and sounds pretty good. So if you're looking to do this, it's pretty simple. There's a weld tab on the inside that you'll have to take out first, a snap ring, or a C-clip, sorry. And this is the DB Killer. Very short amount of footage here. You'll see me do it. Thanks again for everybody for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Freaking KTM Aero exhaust. It's good stuff. Thanks.